Hey everybody, this is Pete with Owner Builders Unite, and it's summertime here in Crestone. Me and Matt are really busy with our own projects and traveling a little bit, so decided to do a different video today. We're going to do a little bit of a plant walk. It's summertime here in Crestone, halfway through July, and we got a lot of cool native wildflowers blooming and wanted to show you guys around a little bit. As you see the yellow flowers, that's our Colorado sunflowers. They go pretty much everywhere. And the purple flowers over here that I'm walking up to are the Rocky Mountain bee plants. If you're in the San Luis Valley or in the Crestone area, you probably have seen a lot of those. Here's a hollyhock that came back from last year, the white one right there. I've spread a lot of wood chips and horse manure and compost over the years and have decactused quite a bit in front of my house as well. It definitely helps keep the soil temperature down, and all the native plants and wildflowers really like having a little bit of a cooler temperature, and it helps with retaining moisture when it does rain. We just had a pretty decent rain just this past hour, so I kind of wanted to come out here while everything was popping just to show you guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and it's kind of permaculture at work. We're in the high desert at 8,000 feet, so the sun's pretty brutal out here on things and can really blast stuff. That yellow flower right there is called a crownbeard. It's another type of native wildflower versus the black sunflowers with the middle. So that's a cool one that comes up a little bit after the regular Colorado sunflowers. And there is a lot of other native plants as well. I've really tried to encourage a lot of the native grasses and some of the other native plants that grow in our area to spread versus just, yucca and prickly pear. Also, tumbleweeds will get pretty bad sometimes as well. Also, we do get goat heads out here in the high desert, so that's something that I always try to pull and take away from. But yeah, I just love this time of year with all the flowers popping and all the native stuff just going. Over here, I have a big compost pile, and on top of the compost pile, you'll probably see it in any garden here in Crestone, is lamb's quarter. Lamb's quarter is great. I love to feed it to my chickens. It's kind of like a spinach, and it just goes everywhere, so that's a really great thing. Over here, walking back closer to the Earthship, you can see all the wood chips here. I've spread these wood chips this past season. A lot of stuff likes to grow up on the berm and kind of gets watershed from that wing wall down to the bottom. Another advantage of the berm is it's facing north. It's on the north side of my house, so again, that gives some of the plants that don't want to get blasted by full sun all day a little bit of a better chance to survive. I kind of retained it with straw bales, as you see, and horse manure and more wood chips, and there's everything from purslane to creeping amaranth. That's my cooling tube right there. A lot of lamb's quarter, and any sort of swale on contour, kind of like permaculture teaches, is a great way to get things to grow and retain water. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and again, me and Matt will have some more construction and alternative build videos coming up in the weeks to follow. Just wanted to post something and share with you guys how pretty it is here in Crestone. We got the Baca Wildlife Refuge right out there to the west, and the Sangre de Cristo mountain range to the east, and the San Juans and the Continental Divide past the refuge to the west as well. Very beautiful. Like and subscribe. Thanks.